Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you with me on our China winter tour and this is our day 1 going to Beijing! Our flight was at Terminal 1, 6 in the morning pa pero syempre maaga kami. Excited eh. This is a package tour for only 35,000 pesos pero all in na. Yes, all in. Para ma-experience ang winter in Beijing, China. And yes, first time namin makakasakay ng Air China. And let me tell you, ang ganda ng service nila. May free onboard meal pa. Group visa siya kaya less hassle. Kailangan mo lang mag-submit ng passport bio page at A4 size photo. Tapos, goods na. From the Philippines to China, around 4 hours lang ang flight and no time difference. Kaya walang jet lag. Win talaga. Pagdating namin sa Beijing Airport, sinalubong na kami ng aming Chinese tour leader. Very important talaga ang sumama sa tour, lalo na kung first time niyo sa lugar para iwas abala, lalo na dito sa China. Malaki ang language barrier. By the way, all-in na pala tong tour na to, kaya from airport transfers, 5-star hotel accommodation, breakfast, lunch and dinner, plus tours to Great Wall of China's Snow Ski Resort, Forbidden City, Temple of Heaven as a free day nyo, pwede kayong pumunta sa Universal Studios Beijing or mag-explore sa Wangfujing shopping area. Important reminder, download Alipay or WeChat kasi mostly cashless ang payments dito. And also, use a translator app para madaling makapag-usap kung may bibilhin kayo or magtatanong sa mga locals. From the airport, binigyan muna kami ng time ng guide na magbihas ng makapal dahil lahat ng pupuntahan namin ay outdoor. And yes, malamig talaga dahil winter ngayon sa Beijing. On the way, binigyan na rin kami ng food ng guide. Very thoughtful.
Hello!
Hi!
Welcome to Beijing! Are you happy you come to Beijing?
Yes.
Are you happy you meet Joanna? I'm
Yes!
so happy to meet all of you. I'm waiting for you 2 hours.
Our first stop is the Forbidden City. It's one of the most iconic landmarks in China. This used to be the imperial palace of Chinese emperors for almost 500 years. During the Ming and Qing dynasties, only the emperor, his family, and the selected officials were allowed inside. Kaya siya tinawag na Forbidden City. And guys, sobrang ganda talaga. Parang nag-time travel ka. Especially because it's spring break, maraming tao ang naka-traditional Chinese attire. Kaya feeling mo talaga nasa ancient China ka.